Raising a quotient to a power. At the upper right, you see we have a over b in parentheses raised to the n power. Even though we don't see the exponents normally, if we see the letter a by itself, it has an understood exponent of 1. So does our b. And the rule when raising a quotient to a power is every inside exponent, top and bottom, gets multiplied by the exponent outside. So we keep the base a and we multiply 1 times n and we get a to the n. We keep the base b and we multiply 1 times n and get b to the n. Here on the left I have an example using some variables and some numbers. So we have x to the third power over y to the fifth power. Each one of our inside exponents will get multiplied by the exponent outside. So we'll keep our x and we'll multiply 3 times 4 and we get x to the 12. We keep our y and we multiply 5 times 4 and we get y to the 20th. Therefore, our answer would be x to the 12th, y to the 20th. Even if we had a number in parentheses, if we had 3a and then that was over, say, b squared and c to the 4th, and then on the outside of this parentheses we have an exponent of 3. Well, remember that each one of our inside exponents, our 3 has an understood 1, so does our a, and so does any other thing that doesn't have an exponent. There's an understood 1. We want to multiply each inside exponent by this exponent outside. So we keep the bases inside and multiply the inside exponent by the outside. So now we have, we keep our 3, that's our base, and we multiply 1 times 3 and get 3. We keep our a and we multiply 1 times 3 and get 3. And in the bottom we keep our base b and we multiply 2 times 3 and get 6. And we keep our exponents, or our base c, and multiply 4 times 3, which gives us 12. Then we can actually raise 3 to the third power and get 27, a to the third, over b to the 6th, and c to the 12th.